Today I'm sitting with somebody who I think redefined chai for me and also who bred so much curiosity in me as to why he wants to be somebody's mascara. And also who brought back softness with melody, which just soothes the purest part of my soul, and I mean it. This is RJ Manasa here with none other than Botla boy Paresh Pahuja. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Mansa. Thank you. How are you? Such a
I'm
beautiful introduction.
Oh, I hope so. Thank you. But I want to know, why do you want to be somebody's mascara?
सोचा तो लिपस्टिक बनने का भी था.
That makes more sense.
No, I'll be
Yeah.
every makeup product.
Every makeup product.
Every
What if the girl
every
doesn't
product.
wear makeup?
Great,
Great.
great. Then I'll have to think of deeper songs.
You
I'll have
know,
to think of deeper meanings.
I meant it when I spoke about chai because I'm somebody, I don't drink chai. And I cannot make chai. I can cook everything else in the world, but I cannot make chai. And every time I hear you speak of chai, I'm like, yeah, I should start drinking chai. And do you understand? That's like
If you really want to start drinking chai someday, let me be the first one.
I
Let
would love
me
it.
introduce you to a real chai.
I'll have to come to Mumbai for that. I'll try.
Please, please, yes. Because I don't want you to experience your first chai, which is not.
Good enough.
Yeah.
It's like half-assed,
नहीं वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
It is like, I don't know. It's like your first relationship.
Ah,
If it sets the right example for the coming
it should
ones.
have the equal measure of everything.
Equal measure of everything.
Yeah. But Paresh, every time I listen to a song, Botla is my number one song. I don't know why. I'm very partial to Botla. Very, very partial. Not that I don't like the other tracks, of course I do. But Botla is my number one Gana. And every time I listen to Paresh Ahuja, what comes to my mind, even when I discovered you for the first time and I discovered your music, it made me stop and listen to it because I was like, oh my God, the softness. It's like a pause. We keep talking about pause. You listen to your music, it's like taking pause from the entire chaos scene around us.
Right.
Is there a deliberate angle behind it, or is it just you, your sense of music, your sense of self, और बैठ के आप सोचते हो नहीं मेरे को softness के पीछे जाना है?
I love the options you give already. For
Yeah.
all these questions. The real answer is none of the above.
Please tell me.
The real answer is I don't know.
Huh.
I really don't know where it comes from.
Yeah.
I am not. I really don't know. I just sit in the middle of the night with
Yeah.
my guitar or piano, and I
Yeah.
just try to be authentic to whatever is happening inside me. So for me, it's therapy.
Yeah.
It just saves me a lot of money for therapy.
We all want to do that. Huh. But tell me, was there a plan? Was there a plan growing up? Like, गाना गाना है, acting करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, famous बनना है, इतना पैसे कमाना है. Was there a plan?
No, I wanted to be a cricketer.
Really?
Yeah, when I was growing up, I wanted to be a cricketer, and I'm sure three boys out of four want to be cricketers in India, and I was the third one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that didn't happen because that was difficult. Coaching classes were
Yeah.
really far from where I stayed, and I don't know, maybe I was not good enough. So
Board exams.
Lots of
Board exams.
वो भी था कि 7 बजे school है.
Yeah.
And if you have to train, you have to train either before that, which is 5 a.m.
Yeah.
You wake up at 3, leave at 4. I don't know now, just retrospect, think about it. But वो नहीं हुआ.
Yeah.
Music was something that was inherent, but I discovered very late. Like I properly started singing much later in life.
Right.
I was in 10th class, probably 9th or 10th class.
Right.
उसके पहले नहीं था. उसके पहले it was something I really loved because I used to ask all my relatives, my masi, mamas, to gift me cassettes.
Nice.
On my birthdays, like पूछते थे क्या चाहिए birthday में, बोला cassette. And so the love was always there, but
Yeah.
I just didn't know, or neither did we have any guidance because I come from a very simple family.
Yeah.
Nobody's an artist in the family, so nobody knew how to kind of
Yeah.
guide someone. I think life has a bigger plan for all of us. And I landed up in Bombay, and things just happened one after another.
It's like the Forrest Gump story. Things kept happening types.
Things kept happening. Things happen.
Yeah.
But you need a bit of an intention, I feel. That's it.
True.
You just need a little intention, and then the right people will just align in your life, I feel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that happens.
That happens, yeah.
The playlist I listen to then is very personal. So
Okay.
it's cherry picked, it's hand picked. And Botla was there on that. And I would listen to
Yeah.
Botla so often. I can show you it. It's on my
I
walking
believe you.
playlist. Okay. And I loved it. I want to know. And I wondered every time because I hadn't seen your interviews when I started listening to Botla. And then the interviews happen and all of that. It's like, what made him conceptualize this song? How did Botla happen? How did he, write these lines? What made him think of it? Please tell me how Botla happened, please.
See, you should never.
Disclose the magician's tricks.
You know the answer.
Come on.
My God.
Did it come from somewhere? Is there a story behind it?
Of course, there's always a story behind it. It's a very personal song. It's an
Right.
extremely personal song. Even the poetry that's at the beginning of Botla was
Yes.
something that I wrote like years back.
Yeah.
And it came from a very personal space because you know how much I love chai
Yeah.
and how important of a part it is in my life, because I think it's not just a beverage. It facilitates connections.
It's an emotion.
It's an emotion.
Yeah.
It's connection for
Yeah.
me, because from sitting with your parents and having a cup of chai with them, or outside college having a cup of chai with your friends, or if your partner also likes chai, then you're just making chai together and unwinding,
Yeah.
after a long day, and just that becomes a ritual.
Yeah.
So it's always been a very important part of my life, and yeah, there was a moment where I felt, I should write about it, and just kind
And so perfectly, it just flows. The lines, chai. Like I said, people start romanticizing the whole chai process.
any chai brand watching this right now?
Yes, please sign up. That's the best marketing you can give your chai.
है ना?
But tell me, how are you dealing with the whole explosion of attention? How do you deal with it? Are you the types who will find it a little overwhelming and shy away from it a little bit? Ke bahut ho raha hai yaar. What do I do with it? How do I deal with it? Or are you the one who comes alive in the middle of it? It's like, oh my God, it's a lot of love, and I'm going to embrace it
Yeah.
with both my hands.
Yeah, you use two different words, which I like. One is attention, one is love.
Yeah.
I am learning to receive both.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody is ready, or anybody's taught how to learn
Yes.
how to deal with it.
Yeah.
Even love, I don't think all of us are very well equipped to receive love.
Right.
Even it could be from one person, or it could be from a lot of people.
Yeah.
Receiving love is also an art. Sometimes if we don't deep down believe we are worthy of it, we will sabotage it.
Yeah.
So I think I had to prepare for it. I had to
Yeah.
really learn how to receive it, and how to really believe when somebody says I love. Like,
Filter it.
yeah,
Yeah.
like genuinely believe that, oh, this is happening to me, and
Yeah.
when she's talking about my song or my music, or
Yeah.
it's not easy. But yeah, I'm learning to just be grateful and show up every single day without getting drowned in it
Yeah.
by any chance. And it just helps me connect with people better, I feel.
I understand. I
Yeah.
understand.
Because also the kind of love I receive is from the live audience.
Yeah.
And that's
That's a high.
very pure. It's
Yeah.
beautiful. It just, like, after a point, the stage disappears.
Yeah.
Everything disappears. It's just this beautiful energy in the air, which we
Yeah.
all share.
Yeah.
And that's something I live for. And that's why the next day after the show
Yeah.
is so difficult for me.
Oh,
Um,
withdrawal.
massive withdrawal. Like, it takes me hours to kind of get back to my normal state and get back to my
Yeah.
daily life. And then the next day onwards, I'm just looking forward to going back on stage again and connecting again. Yeah.
That's a bug.
Yeah. But I love it. I love it.
The performer's bug, which will keep you going.
Yeah.
But I have a personal question to ask now.
Please.
Your songs depict such beautiful, honest emotions and such beautiful love. Do you personally believe it exists in today's time and age?
Great question.
because it's so, because वो होता है ना कि when you listen to these words, they're so
Yeah.
perfect, they're so magical and so romantic. You're like,
Yeah.
gosh, I wish I had that love. But does it
Yeah.
really exist? Do you think? This
I
is coming
believe
from a
so.
cynic.
No. It does. I strongly
Yeah.
believe that because, see, I come from a generation where I've also seen landline phones. I've seen
Yeah.
um, letters, handwritten letters, the tour is called Love Notes store.
Yeah.
And we're going back to basics,
Yeah.
which is roses, balloons, love letters,
Cards. Yeah.
cards,
Chai.
chai, basic things
Yeah.
basically. So you don't need anything extravagant for romance.
Yeah.
That's the idea, and I really believe that. I really believe um, if you're just open, if you just open your heart
Yeah.
to the right people, and it happens. It's happened to me. It will happen. Yeah. It may not be easy,
Yeah.
but it will happen.
I hope so. I hope.
Don't be a
who-
cynic. Cynic is a very strong word.
Okay. Practical. Okay. Let's tone it down.
Nahi. See, logic is the enemy of magic. Always believe in magic, I'd say. Don't let logic take over.
Yeah.
Logic is for other things like
Yeah.
जो भी ज़रूरी है life में, but that's a different part of life.
I'm that friend, that annoying friend. If you come and tell me your love story, I will start ticking all the practical stipulations of it. कि ये है, ये है, ये है. I am that annoying friend.
मैं आपके पास नहीं आऊँगा फिर.
Good for you. If you were to write your bio,
हाँ.
the first thing would be what? Singer or an actor?
Storyteller, I'd say.
Yeah, that's very smart. That's very smart. But tell me,
Artist,
how has it been? Such great projects and it is going so well, shows and movies and all of it. Any personal favorites? Let's talk about acting a little bit. Because I am the fan of the singer first and then the actor. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah. So tell me, how has it been?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
This year, especially, I would say after Bandish Bandits, that was
Yes.
last year,
Yeah.
things have really changed.
Yeah.
And I shot a film after that, which will release now in May. It's called Chand Mera Dil, which is also with Dharma Productions.
Yeah.
And right after that, I'm about to shoot Nazdikiyan, which is a beautiful layered script. And yeah, this was a dream. When you come to this city to pursue acting, you want to be Dharma leading man or Yash Raj leading man. One of those things have happened.
I was going to ask you, kahi to that sense of satisfaction comes, no?
No, bilkul.
Yeah.
Bilkul. Because I grew up watching Dharma films. When I was like, think of it this way, ki, like, especially I'm a 90s kid, so every Dharma film came at a very important event in my life.
Right.
कि जब छोटे थे तो कभी खुशी कभी गम आई थी, with family you could watch that. थोड़े बड़े हुए तो कुछ होता है, you could watch it with your friends and lovers.
कल हो ना हो.
फिर कल हो ना हो आई. फिर कभी अलविदा ना कहना आई. So and million songs of Dharma that we dance to on
Shadi,
Sangeets, Diwali party, Holi party. So it's been a huge part of my life, and I love it. I love the kind of films they make, and I want to be a part of every project they make.
I can see how happy you are. Congratulations. Now, I also want to ask, you make it seem quite easy. I'm sure it's not. What's easy, what's difficult? Be it singing, be it acting. What's the easy part and what's the not so easy part of it?
See, the easy parts are the parts that you enjoy.
Yeah.
They may be difficult parts for somebody else, but those are the easy parts for you because you really, really enjoy building something or creating something. And the difficult parts are the ones that you should just find the right people for if you're not able to do it yourself. I feel you can't do alone. You can't.
Yeah.
That's a myth. I don't think anybody's self-made. Anybody who says I'm self-made is a myth. Because there are so many people around us, like right now around us, who are making this happen.
Yeah.
So the paths that you find are difficult for you or not, in your line of expertise. Just find the right people and trust them. once you find them, you trust them. तो वो है.
The value of right people around you.
Oh, very important, very important.
Very important.
Yeah, yeah. And once you find them, keep them. Like I have people with me since years,
Yeah.
and we are still building together. So
It comes down to that.
yeah, always.
Right people around you. It always comes down to that. Now, Love Notes. That's the show you're doing. That's the tour you're doing. And like you said, you're going back to basics about romance with Love
हाँ जी.
Notes. हाँ. Romance के basics के बारे में बात करते हैं. Love Notes के बारे में बात करते हैं. Please tell me more about it.
Love Notes is a very, very personal kind of a concert
Yeah.
that I always wanted to do. It has everything that I love. It has music,
Yeah.
poetry. It has stories, and love letters, and balloons, and flowers, and
Hearts.
hearts. So many hearts. Yeah,
Yeah.
see, it also
There is one.
has so many hearts. Yeah, it's a feeling. More than
Yeah.
anything, it's a feeling which I keep saying. I can't describe it. You have to just come and experience it. It's just
Yeah.
just a gamut of different emotions
Right.
that we feel, and we hope you also feel while we do it.
What is it like when you come to Bangalore?
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful. Which is why while we were planning this tour, also like Bangalore was a non-negotiable. We
Yeah.
had to come here and perform because last time, also it was a sold-out show, and the kind of appetite and love that
Yeah.
Bangalore audience has for new artists, new music, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, and yeah.
Idli or dosa?
Dosa.
Dosa. He does dosa, man. A man after my heart.
Dosa, yeah.
Dosa any day, no?
Dosa, benne dosa. with ghee
Benne
puri.
dosa. Oh, have you ever had
Yeah.
puri dosa?
Yeah, yeah. I have a ghee puri dosa.
That
which
is amazing.
There's so much ghee in the center. There's a lot of puri, and
We're talking about ghee and dosa. Can I do a quick rapid
Yes,
fire?
please.
Fun questions. Oh, he's all ready. Options first. I have a list for it because I can't remember these many questions. My memory power can't hold it.
Koi nahi.
Freedom or fame?
freedom,
Okay. Success or respect?
respect.
Okay. Chai or wine on a date? You have to be honest.
Chine.
So you start with chai and then you wind up with wine.
Chine.
Chine. There's a new word.
we should start a brand called Chine.
Chine. Chine.
Ideal-
Chai flavored
ideal date
wine.
drink. Chai flavor. Oh my, you're a genius. Manasa, you have to be.
We should get a patent
बैंगलोर
done.
में सबके पास ऐसे आइडियाज रहते हैं क्या स्टार्टअप्स के constantly.
Yeah, dosa it
चलते
does.
फिरते ये हमारा नया स्टार्टअप खुलेगा वहाँ सामने. Chine, ladies and
Chai.
gentlemen.
Patent ले रहे हैं हम वैसे.
Chine. कोई नहीं ले पाएगा
Yes.
हमसे.
Okay, fame or craft?
Craft.
Craft any day. Okay, what's your go-to song? Like my go-to song is Lag Ja Gale,
Yeah.
We all have that one go-to song, right? What's your go-to song?
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में
में
प्यार,
प्यार. Yeah.
जीना इसी का नाम है.
I love that song. Okay, one question you're glad that I didn't ask.
I shouldn't say. There are 3 questions that I'm thinking of right now.
Please, please.
I won't say.
It's a learning process.
जो पूछना है पूछो.
जो पूछना है पूछ. You should never give a media person that leverage.
जो पूछना है पूछो.
जवाब देना है कि नहीं वो मेरे पे है. आप पूछो.
पूछो तो सही. I went to a media school. पूछो आपको जो पूछना है.
So it's like I will maneuver through it without giving anything.
No. अरे यार मैं क्या ही करूँगा? क्या करूँगा छुपा के बताओ आपसे क्या ही छुपाए?
Okay. We will take that off the record, off camera. Then I'll see if you'll answer.
Done.
Okay. Precious, useless hidden talent. It's precious for you, but it's really useless.
Precious to me, but very useless. ये सवाल ना मुझसे बहुत बार पूछा गया है और मैंने अभी तक इसका जवाब पता नहीं क्यों बैठ के सोचा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
So I really wish you hadn't asked this question. answering your previous question.
Want good timing? Touche. That's a touche moment. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Just because he couldn't think of any useless, all his talents are not hidden and they're useful. No?
मैं क्या मतलब हैं बहुत सारे हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Okay. What are you embarrassingly bad at?
Oh God.
See, you seem so perfect on stage.
नहीं मैं.
We have to make you human.
Oh my God. I'm very human. I'm extremely
Tell
human.
me what you're embarrassingly bad at.
I am bad at so many things.
Yeah?
There is a full fairist of bad things.
एक बताओ आप.
पैर से चीजें उठाना.
I'm bad at drawing a straight line.
Oh yeah, I'm bad at making
I can never
round
draw
circles.
even with the scale.
ऐसे तो बहुत हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
I'm bad at driving.
I'm good at driving.
Okay, we know. Cheat meal you would marry.
Cheat?
Meal you would like be
Oh,
married
chole
to.
bhature.
Chole bhature.
Nah.
That's a
For life.
villain. That's a villain. Weirdest brief you've ever received as a singer, writer, actor, performer.
एक हिट सॉन्ग बना के दे दो हमको. अच्छा सर, हिट सॉन्ग बना एकदम हिट सॉन्ग एकदम
Hit song में क्या होना चाहिए
एकदम
नहीं?
फास्ट डांस सॉन्ग बना दो. अच्छा, अभी रिसेंटली ब्रीफ आई थी मैंने कहा सर सोचता हूँ मैं.
But do you think you can ever gravitate towards that? Like just to say, I want to do maybe something different, try something different.
Yeah, why not? I'll not be limited to any genre or any kind of music. Like,
Yeah.
there are so many songs that I have about just making a list of songs on the flight and the release plan for this year. There are about 9 songs that we'll be putting out the next 1 year.
Yeah.
And it has everything. It has fast songs, sad songs, dance
Nice.
songs, romantic songs. So whatever I feel true to in that moment
Yeah.
is the kind of music I make. And ऐसा नहीं है कि
I would love to, see Paresh Pahuja making a fast song from your sensibilities. An upbeat song coming. I would wait for
do
it.
that. Yeah.
What's your biggest green flag? What's your biggest red flag?
बताओ, अब अपनी तारीफ क्या ही करूं मैं.
अच्छा जी. Modesty.
ये था मेरा रेड फ्लैग.
Oh, ये था आपका green flag. Modesty. Humility with just a dash of sarcasm.
Yeah,
नहीं?
that's important. No, I think humor is also a coping mechanism sometimes.
Yeah.
So humor to zaruri.
When I was doing research on you before the interview, I came up with zilch.
Really?
Yes, very little personal. Like you are the smart media student. You know how to answer all the questions, giving away very little of you. But finally, a message to people, wanting to get into the music industry. What would you like to say?
Actually, this is the best time to make music because you don't need anyone in the sense that it's not. This is the best time to be in independent music. There are
Right.
platforms you can just put your music out. There is the kind of direct access you have
Yeah.
with your audience. We never had that before. We didn't know how to distribute music. We didn't know, how to produce music and how to put it out.
Yeah.
Now you can do it all. Put it on YouTube, put
Yeah.
it on Spotify, Apple, wherever, and you have audience.
Yes.
You have audience. You have audience for everything, and thankfully, audience is so good these days that they are open to new things. They're open to new music. They're open to new artists all the
Yeah.
time. And reach out to people who you really like. DM them, message them,
Yeah.
and ask for help. That's what I do. Every time I feel stuck, I write to the people I feel who have walked the path that I'm walking right now. And most of the times I get a reply. Most of the times I reply whenever somebody is writing to me. And yeah, just this is the best time to actually be an artist of any kind.
It's been a pleasure getting to know you.
अगली बार
And
चाय जब बनाऊंगा मैं आपके लिए तब मैं गा के सुनाऊंगा.
done.
बोतला.
I hope that moment comes, but
Why
it's
not?
been a pleasure getting
Thank
to know
you,
you.
Manasa. Thank you.